Okay, I'm going to show, it's not exactly a money glitch, but it's kind of in that lines. Sure, you've seen this before, but not everybody has. So, you can come to the desert map and find these crates. They randomly spawn. But you can also go to the woodlands map if you're a lower level and do the exact same amount of thing. Oh, and I may show you how to get a car, but I don't know for sure. I'll see if I want to later in the video. And sorry I'm using Mobizen, but like, what else am I gonna do? There's nothing else out there. I will show you where the other crate is. Sometimes a lockbox will spawn right here. Kind of by this rock. It's not here right now, but sometimes it will. Like even when you just load in the map. So this is one way to get to the box I'm going to show you. Now the rocks up here can get really annoying. Actually, a car will get stuck on them, but not always. So sometimes, like now, like there will be a box here, but only sometimes. It's got a lot more loot in it, but right here is where a box always spawns. And you can come to this map every single time it spawns here. And that's about it, really.